Okay, so first of all, let's understand we have given what? We have given A, B, B, C, 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 right? We have given C. Understand? So this is the word we have given. What is this? This is our word. We can say that. And let's group the character, these characters. Okay, let's suppose the very first character is A, that appears only one time, correct? Then B is coming for 2 times, right? So there is a possibility that it is a possible long press is there, right? Possible long press is there. Can we say that? Right? We can say that. Let's understand C. C is coming how many times? 4 times, right? So there is also a possibility that there is a long press. We can say that, right? But Alice can only make one long press mistake in the entire word, right? So we have to try all these possibility. How? Let's suppose she meant this one, she meant this one, right? But there is no mistake, so let's skip it entire thing, right? So there is one possibility that she has done no mistake is there, right? It means the possibility of the word is A, B, B, C, 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 C. The first possibility is this, and I'm saying this is correct, no problem. Let's understand if she meant this by removing one B. So one B we have extra. It means we can say A, B, C, 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 C. There is a possibility. These are possibility, right? Means we have to remove what? One B we have to remove, correct? Let's suppose if C want to remove one of the C, right? So we can say means all of in which we can remove only one, right? One C. Let's remove one C. A, B, C, C, C. There is one B also. Okay, like this. So we have to remove one C from here, right? One B, one C we have removed, correct? Now there is a possibility that C can C mean to write A, B, B, C, C. C want to remove one more here. We can say that this is also a possibility. So we remove 2C from here, correct? Now think C want to remove 3C from here, right? Means this case become A, B, C, A, B, B, C, correct? So these are the possibility. Means total, if you observe, is 5 set of possible scenario we have, that she mean to write this but accidentally she write this one. Can we say that? We can say that. Means all of these are valid. All of these are valid because we are assuming only one group, B or C, correct? The possible are B and C. Here you can see B and C. Give me a second. Means the possibility are the repeated character was what? B and C, correct? And so we are assuming only one group, B or C, was a long press, right? So we fix that group, right, and leave the rest of untouched, right? We can say that. So the total possible original words will be total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means these are the possible original words that can be our answer, and that is why we were seeing output is 5. I hope you understand, right? Let's understand again. Okay, let's suppose we have given word we have given is nothing but A, right? This is what we have given. Means there is how many group is there? There is only one group. What is only one group? That is A. Can we say that? We can say that. How many times it repeats? It repeats 4 times. It repeats 4 times. We can say that, correct? So this is 4 times A, and this A is repeating how many times? 4 times. Can we say that? Means this mean C might have meant there is no mistake. The very first is no mistake. It means the correct word is A. This is the correct word. Let's see mean to write. Let's suppose there is no mistake, and so we can consider this one. Let's suppose there is a one mistake, and we can say let's remove one A from here. There is another. Let's suppose she mean to write only this, only 2A, or she mean to write only A. How many possibilities are there? These are the four possible you can say original words, we can say that, right? That is a valid, since we only need one group that is repeated, right? And we can say these are the four possible original output we have, right, total, and this will be our answer. I hope you understand, right? So like this you have to understand. Now think about that. If no group is there, let's suppose if no group is there, we do not have group, right? If there is no group is there, then there is only one possibility. Answer will be only one, correct? If any possibility is not there, right, if everything is good, let's suppose we call ABCD, right? So in the ABCD nothing was long press, only one possible output is ABC itself, right? And so the output will come what? 1. I hope you understand the problem, correct? So I hope you understand what we need to do, right? We have to return the total possible original string that Alice might have intended to type, right? Means the possible right words, we have to return it, right? So let's suppose what are the approaches can be possible, right? So very first step, if we want to implement the solution, right, because we have given this word and we have to find all the possible original string, right? So let's suppose the very first step, what we can do, we will group the consecutive characters, right? Can we say that? We can do that. We can group the consecutive words. Means we want to find all the groups that were the same character repeats. For example, the word we have given was this one, right? So we have group. How we have grouped this? So we can group like this. Let's suppose the very first group is we can take, let's suppose for only one element, that is A. This is the first group of with the length, what? Length is 1. Then we can take what? BB. We can take the another group that we can say 2, length of 2. In another group can be possibly what? CCC, correct? Can we say that? So L equal to 4. So there are 4 groups that is possible, that is A, BB and CC. Can we say that? Means in the very first step we want to find all the groups where the same character repeats, right? A doesn't repeat here, but we can take array. Then B is also repeating, C is also repeating, right? So we will group all of the characters, right? We'll group the consecutive characters together, right? Then what we should do? Think. Then in the next step, what we should do? We should count the number, right? Number of a possible string, we can say, right? Number of possible strings, correct? Then we will count the number of possible string. Means we want to start with the original word as it is, right? That is always valid, right? So if the word we have given will count itself is 1, count is 1, we can say that. So we will initialize the count from 1 because the original string itself can be valid, right? Now we'll go for each group that we have given greater than equal to 1. So we'll not consider the very first one because its length is 1, right? But we can take if the length is greater than equal to what? 2. Means we can consider this one and this one. Okay, so it could be a long press because of the group BB and group CCC, right? It could be a long press. So we can reduce in different ways, but since we only one group can be fixed, so we just count +1 for what? This BB group, this group we are saying, and then +3 the length is 4, right? So we can say plus 3 for C group, right? Because CC can become what? Can become what? Let's suppose 1C. There is another group can be possible with CC, and another group is possible CCC 3 times. Means subgroup we can say, right? Means we can make the multiple groups from this group, or subgroups we can say, right? Don't say subgroup, otherwise you will get confused. So from the word itself we can make how many? We can make total 3, and so we'll increase our count with the plus 3. So if you observe that count, we have started with 1, now it is 2, now it is 2 plus 3 is 5, and so we will return the count. Understand? I hope you understands. So how we will implement it? Just think how we will implement it. Okay, let's understand. We'll take to in the various third step what we can do, how to implement the logic, right? Let's suppose how to implement the logic. Okay, means we'll loop through the string that we have given here. We'll use 2 pointers, right? I and j. Can we say that? We'll use 2 pointer I and j to group the character, to group the characters. Can we say? We can say that. Then words at I, if words at I is not equal to words at j, means words at I not equal to words at j, right? When words at I not equal to words at j, means you have found the end of the group, correct? And you have to calculate the group length j minus 1. How many? J minus 1. We have to calculate the group length. Group length is j, what? J minus I, we can say j minus 1. What is the group length, right? So if the length is greater than 1, right, it means it's a candidate for correction that we have seen, right? These things. I hope you understand, right? You can implement it. Let's understand the code better. Don't waste the time. Okay, let's start. So in the very first step, what we should do, we should define the count, right? And we'll say count is nothing but 1. It means this will be our step 1, where we start with original string. We can say that means the original string itself is a possibility that it is true. It's a correct original string. Okay, means there is no mistake is there. Let's start I equal to 0, and I'll take a n, and we'll say n is word dot length. Length should be a function. This is string. Then in the step 2, what we should do, we should loop through the string and group characters. Okay, let's say loop through the string and group characters, correct? Can we say that? Let's say we'll create a while loop, right? And we'll say until y is less than n, correct? Until I is less than n. Then chars, let's suppose we'll take a current character, a char, and we say that current char equal to, we can take word dot char at I. So start from 0. Very first step, let's suppose we'll take a, right? And we'll take another index j that will start from I itself, right? Each character we have to check, right? So we'll take the j from itself, I, right? So we have got the current character, right? Now we'll start j from I. Now we'll find the end of the group of the same character. Okay, so let's find you can say that find the end of the group of same characters. Can we say that? We can say that it means while j is less than n, j should be less than n, right? Means last character, last index, we can say, right? The word dot char at I, not I, it should be j. If word at char at j equal to the current character, can we say that? If the current character is matching, right, then we'll increase j plus plus. Can we say that? The character are same, right? Will increase the j plus plus, will increase the index, right? So now we know that we can find the group length. How will find the group length? Just take a group, we'll say length, take a length, group length, and we'll say we can find the group length. How? You know, where is j? J will be in the right direction, and I will be on the left direction. So we can find the group itself. Means let's suppose a is there and there is more a is there, let's suppose like this. So when I is at 0, right, we have initialize j from j here, line number 10, right? You can see. Then will the while loop we have started at line number 12, correct? So until j is less than n, means j is also here, so we'll increase j plus plus 1 until the character we found is equal. If it is equal, j will reach at this position. So now we can find I is here and j is here, so we can find the group. This is our group, or any other character is coming, doesn't matter for us, right? Because the first group we have found like this, right? Similarly, we'll go from here, the another group can be possible here, then we'll go for here, then we'll go for here, right? So all the possible groups we can find and its length. Similarly, if we'll reach here, we can find this group, like this group, we can find it. Okay, can we say that? We can say that, correct? So you will get the group length. Let's suppose I is at here is where? At 0, and j is at where? 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, 3 minus 0 is what? 3. That is why we are getting the group length 3. So this way we have to find the group length. Understand? Now think what we can do in the next step. Let's suppose we'll call it a step 3. If the group is long, it means we can say the length, we can say, right, length is greater than equal to what? 2. Can we say that? It means it's a long press. It means it's a long press, right? It's a long press, right? It means we have to find the condition, the group length, if it is greater than 1, it means it's a long press, right? Let's start finding the count. Just take the count equal to what? The, you know, the group length minus 1. Can we say that? Yes, right? Can we say that? We can say that, right? Means we will increase the count. How? The group length minus 1 will do, and we will get the count. It means what we are trying to do here, we want to do plus, right? We want to increase the count, right? So we can reduce it in what? Length minus 1 ways, right? Can we say that? We can reduce it in length minus 1 ways. Can we say that? Now, once the if condition done, we should move to the next group also, right? This time we have to increase the group, right? So we have to move from this condition. Now move to the next group, right? How will move? Now I will become equal to j. Next we'll move to the next group, correct? And then once it is done, return count. Means we can say this is our step 4, where we have to return the total number of possibilities. Can we say that? Possibilities. So these are the possibilities of the original string. Can we say that? So this will return like this. Let's zoom out and understand. Okay, so in the very first step, what we will do, we'll define a count, right? And we'll increase the count by finding the length of the group. And then once you will go through all the group, right? You will get all the count plus, and finally we'll return it. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt in this video, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the code is working fine. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel if you're not subscribed, and please like the video, and please support Expert Funda by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching this video.